ready to turn your everyday spending into a gateway for unforgettable experiences. Today, we're diving deep to uncover if the Robinhood Gold Credit Card is truly your ticket to earning travel rewards. We'll break down the benefits, the drawbacks, and help you decide if it's worth adding to your wallet. First, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. To unlock the full potential of this card, you'll need a Robinhood Gold subscription. This costs a monthly fee, so factor that into your calculations. Think of it this way: are the increased rewards you'll earn with the card worth more than the monthly subscription cost? If yes, then you're already one step closer to making it worth it. If not, then it might not be. One of the card's key advantage is the 3% cashback on all purchases. That means you can earn rewards without being restricted to specific merchants. Add the fact there are no foreign transaction fees and access to MasterCard benefits, it is easy to see what it offers. Redeeming your rewards is simple. You can easily turn that cashback into investments directly within the Robinhood platform. This ties perfectly with the company's core vision of making investing accessible to everyone. Now, let's get practical. Picture your typical monthly spending. How much do you spend on groceries, gas, bills, and other daily necessities? Calculate how much cashback you'd earn at 3% on these expenses. But before you rush to apply, it's crucial to consider some drawbacks. One common concern is customer service reviews, so do your research before applying. Ultimately, the value of the Robinhood Gold Credit Card depends on your spending habits, investment goals, and whether the benefits outweigh the subscription fee.